Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the analyzing macro environment. The macro environment consists of a six major forces. There are in first one demographical environment. So demographic environment, it shows a worldwide explosive pollution, growth, arise of non-family households, geographical pollution, shifts, a more educated and white-collar population, a changing ethic and racial pollution, and shift from a mass market to micro markets. The first environment fact of interest to markets is pollution because people make up markets. Markets are keenly interested in size of words, pollution, mobility trends, age distribution, birth, marriage and death rates, ethics, and religious structure. These demographic trends are highly reliable for the short and intermediate run. Firms need to identify major demographic trends and determine the steps there are should be taking to meet in these charges. So these are the in demographical environment. Next one, economic environment. Economic environment consists of a in market of purchasing powers. So it is in purchasing powers, and people total purchasing power is a function of current income, prices, savings, and credit availability. So companies whose produce are highly income based on price sensitive need to invest a economic forecasting. So these are the economic environment. Next one, physical environment. So physical environment is associated with natural resources. So it can be included in natural resources, ecology, and other factors of nature. Markets need to be aware of threats and pollution opportunities associated with the following four trends of physical environment. In first one, shortage of raw materials, increased cost of energy, increased pollution levels, changing changing role of governments. So it can be included in physical environment. In next one, technological environment. So technological environment consists of a science and technology. So it can be included in science and technology. It can be emphasize a direct influence on business. So it can be directed influence to the business. A change in technology is the major issue which markets need to consider. Products need to be produced or offered to consumers with the latest technological advances. So the market should be in following trends in technology. So unlimited innovation opportunities. Changing technology gives way to unlimited innovation opportunities. Next one, research and development budgets. Adapting technological changes needs so research and developments. So next one, increased regulation of technology change as per products become more complex. So this can be included to the technological environment. Next one, political and legal environment. The political and legal environment consists of a marketing decisions are substantially impacted by developments in the political and legal environment. This environment is composed of laws, government agencies, and pressure groups that influence and constrain various organizations and individuals in society. So this can be impacted by the in government agencies, laws, and groups. So that can be included to the in political and legal environment. So next one, social and cultural environment. The social and cultural environment includes the social institutions, social groups, population and its composition, social beliefs and customs. Next, structure and attitude towards work and historical background of the country, education system, etc. So, cultural environment consists of norms, values, and accepted behavior patterns of in people. So these are the included to the in social environment. In our last one, natural environment. The natural environment consists of a inputs needed by the business to carry out their production, and various activities are available in nature. The natural resources, ecology, climate, etc. In the country constitutes the natural environment. The business depends on the natural resources. So the natural resources included the raw materials. So the firms need to keep track of availability of raw materials, and if there is going to be any shortage of the in future, as the technology develops, it causes a lot of environmental threats like increased pollution and is damaging the environment. So these are the analyzing the macro environment. So thanks for watching. Practice.